Okay, so these are like very laid back events wherein you just paint while sipping on your drinks, and there's also an instructor who guides you through the entire process, so you don't really have to be an artist to join into these workshops. So that's the best part. It's fun for all the age groups. Since it's a soft activity, it is definitely interesting for adults, but it is also fun for kids because they get to explore new things, they get to be as creative as possible, they get to play with colors, they get to be messy with colors. So yeah, it's fun. It's fun for all the age groups for sure. Also, there are so many reasons why you should be attending these events. The most important ones would be, it helps you to relax, unwind, just de-stress yourself, express yourself through colors. The second one would be that it is such a beautiful creative escape. It helps you to step away from your screens and do something hands-on, play with colors, just get messy with colors. And the third thing would be that, you get to connect with new people who are like-minded, people who are not from this industry. So that's why it's perfect for any sort of occasion. It could be your birthdays, it could be your bachelorette, it could be your team building engagements, it could be any sort of engagements, I think. Yeah. So it could be any place with good lighting and comfortable sitting, considering that you have to paint. Of course, we do it at different venues, which resonates with our type of workshop we conduct. It could be bookstores, it could be, some cute cafes, it could be places with low music and good ambience. Having said that, if you want it for your birthday or as a corporate team building activity, we can do it at your convenient spots. It could be your outdoor venues, it could be your home spaces, it could be your office spaces, whatever is convenient for you. Yeah. So typically you get everything you need for this workshop, including the setup, the paint supplies, the canvas, and the food and beverage, of course. Also, you get to leave with your artwork. We want you to cherish these memories and take them along. To reach us out, you can comment on the reel, you can DM us on the Insta page, you can text us or call us on our WhatsApp number, which you can find it on Insta page, or you can also email us directly at soaked-in-canvas@gmail.com, and we shall get back to you with all the details.